Hello and welcome. This is a recording of the Back to School Night presentation for Computer Programming 3. This class is being offered alongside Computer Programming 1 in the same room, which is why the PowerPoint presentations has both on it. Let's get to it. My name is Fedor Menchikov. You can reach me via email at this email address, fedor.menchikov@mcpsmd.net. That'll be the easiest way to reach me. My office is 209, but I'm primarily going to be in room 211 if you need to find me before or after school. And this is a phone number you can use, although honestly, you'll probably reach me faster via this email. Now, we are in the same room as Computer Programming 1, so your students as experts can be a resource for the CP1 students, which is good for them and also will help your students develop into good coding mentors. But additionally, we of course will be covering material that is very advanced. This class is going to focus on skills that are covered but not explored fully in AP Java, which is a class they should have taken last year. In particular, we'll be focusing on data structures and inheritance as the two main drivers for the class. The class will be mostly project-based and is open to some student self-directed learning as well. So we will see what the class is interested in and try to steer in that direction within a certain framework, of course. This is a general overview of the topics we will be covering. Most of these are programming concepts that have been touched on already, but haven't been explored fully. All of my information for the class will be available on myMCPS Classroom. In the center of the homepage for our class, there will be a week at a glance, which will have all the due dates and deadlines coming up, as well as the objectives for each day. On the left-hand side, there will be a link to modules. Inside those modules, I will have all of my notes, as well as assignments posted, and they will be organized by weeks. Each week will have a PowerPoint slide link all the way at the bottom of that week, and those will be the best place to go for notes. And there will maybe additional notes above as well. And then any assignment will be labeled with the unit number and the assignment number chronologically. So it should be fairly easy to figure out. Classroom expectations for grading will be all tasks category 90%, practice 10%. Work turned in after the due date will be docked 10%, and the deadline for late work will be 1 week after the due date. Typically, I will be fairly lenient and still accept some work after the deadline. However, if it becomes a pervasive habit, I will stop accepting it. In the event that your student is quarantined due to a COVID scare, they can access me during period 1 via Zoom link that'll be provided, or after school by appointment. So please encourage them to communicate with me so we can set that up should they find themselves in that situation. If you have any questions, please email them to me, and I look forward to working with you. Have a fantastic rest of your school year.